Here's the main ingredient right here. That's got so much preservative and shit, you don't even need to be embalmed when you die. Hey, that crust turned out nice, didn't it? Yeah. Now you can run the heat whenever you want. I don't give a shit. If Larry had let us walk this slough, we wouldn't even have to go anywhere. There's hundreds of pheasants in here. But you ain't gonna do it with 3 people. You need like 10 and 2 dogs. He don't even plant it. He calls the neighbor and says plant it. He combines it. So.
Do I need to come over on this side?
Yeah. You might as well get up here though, Scott. It's easier over here. Bryce jumps over. Get out here and we'll walk straight to the truck and then we'll go up the stairs. We'll walk from the house. We get something to drink and hydrate ourselves, and then we'll take it from the house down. But there is pheasants up there. I think last night we had a benefit for one of the guys that graduated his wife had cancer. Rich farmers have to harvest and have to hunt. That's a big hunt thing. They have stock in the boots in here, and that guy died. I know one back in the city. Remember that part of this? How are you going to cross? You can't. I mean, that shit's like muck. He said he found out.
Yeah, I did.
Them Red Wings, the first time mud hit them.
Yeah. I grabbed my whole foot.
Yeah, I know.
All the way up to the ankle.
I've been up already where it took my waders. And my waders stayed in. I was duck hunting. And I had to lay on my stomach to get out of that quicksand. I was all by myself. Yeah, there's a lot of quicksand out here. It ain't like that foamy shit like you see in the movies. Okay.
Cold and windy today. Cold and windy. Did a bunch of shooting yesterday. I think we shot 4 or 5 birds. Lost them in the tall grass. Unfortunate. Grass is dense. It's tough to find them. And then we did some road hunting later in the day. And shot one on the ground, but he's not edible. He didn't turn out well. He got shot up close. And today we're gonna hit some of the sweeter spots. Oh, we locked the doors in the car yesterday too. We had a whole conversation about is the keys gonna get locked in the car if we leave them in the car? And they did. They got locked in the car. So we're borrowing a truck. And now we're gonna have to pry open the door to get the keys out, but we're gonna hit some of the old honey holes again today and try not to lose any of the birds in the grass. Here's the house. There's our borrowed truck. It's bigger than it looks on the inside. Warm in there. So we'll see how things turn out. Hoping for a few birds to bring home. What's the word, bird? You excited?
Oh yeah.
First hunt of the day.
First hunt of the day.
You feel optimistic?
I do.
Getting the truck open. What do you think, man? We gonna find a bird out here?
Yeah. We're gonna hit it. I don't know. My farmer's got a car break-in car. Big kit.
Yeah, it's nice in here.
Yeah. Where do you have this at? Over here. Thought it came from this direction. How about if I put it like this?
That looks nice.
I know it wasn't on there. But yeah, he got his batteries all He's got one of those, you know, that OCD deals going.
Oh.
Yeah. Germaholic and stuff, you know. Okay, let's take a walk, boys, on the wild side. Look at that long tail.
Yeah.
And look at this. Look at that bottom. I mean, this is a perfect specimen.
Yeah.
Look at that purple and that blue. Yeah, every time you turn it.
Did you hit him right in the head?
Yeah.
Currently walking a cornfield. Low chance of seeing any birds out here, but we're walking it just cause. I'm gonna go hit those trees down there. It's a lot windier and a lot colder than it was yesterday, so I'm gonna go up into the dense cover and try and find them. Got 3 birds so far. Better than yesterday. We're finding them. That's good. Let's see if we get anything in this corn. Jumped over this fence right here. Cornfield was a bust, and so was the trees. We got one old man peeing right there, and one old man peeing over there. We'll get about a 10-minute break until they can work up the pressure to get it all out. So, pee break.
Tomorrow night will be chicken wings. And then you got a flooring store here. That's where I get my pallets from.
I think that was a haircut right there.
Nah, that was Dick probably. That does my hair today. He's still around. How many bananas did you get, Scott? Did you get a bunch of them? Huh? Give me one of them. What do you mean by a bunch? How many? 3?
8.
Oh,
You don't want to be the next victim?
yeah. Give me one of them bastards. Okay, here's the Sears store, Scott. See the white building on the left?
Oh, you better take a picture of that, Brian. Get a picture of that.
Hang on. I'll be better now. The perfect
No, just drive up and
I can't get a picture this close.
Yeah.
We went to school. Me and Danny had to go to school. We took care of you more than your parents did. See, this used to be Thielens, right, Scott?
the stray one.
Mm-hmm.
Don't move.
Yeah, that was Thielens. So, technically, they're in our yard. Because Thielens was closer, right?
I remember this.
Oh, you remember this, Scott? We used to go through the alley to go to school.
I remember
Remember the guy from the post office? He had this shed.
Dad would park his cars.
He had parked his cars right here, yep. Yeah, and this is where them guys from Leo's Good Food, they said they'd go through here to go to school, and Dad would be working on the cars right here. Remember that old Pontiac he made a car out of? Or
So
a
this,
truck?
this
All right, man. Here's the haul for the day. Got 3 pheasants. 1, 2, 3. Started snowing about an hour ago. We had a bunch of pheasants jump out by the farm. They jumped up out of the grass, but we weren't quick enough. weren't fast enough to get them. That's all right. We were successful today. We got 3 birds. Beautiful birds. Real good looking. That one doesn't have a head. Yeah, snow's coming down. We're gonna cook dinner. Got these guys inside. Last day, fly out tomorrow.
And I hit him right square in the head. Okay, this thing's heavy. Feel that?
Oh, no.
There's a lot of meat on that bird. Okay, here you go. You just kind of get your finger in there. There we go. You don't want to hurt or nothing. And it should all come out in one shot. Pretty much, except for the heart and lungs. I was going to feed the chickens, but hell with it. I got enough shit to eat. Here's his nuts. The lungs are the hardest. I'm trying to roll them out. They're in the rib cage here, but they're kind of... You guys shot that young one. What the hell is that young guy? Oh, it was that guy. That's the one you guys shot. That's why I had to get those nippers, Scott. I wish they were a little tighter. I have to get a screwdriver and tighten it, but they'll get through by tonight. I got a lot of shit about that. All them damn chickens and all my trees and... Look how much feathers they got. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, that's because that's how they stay warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want, you can pick them, but oh shit, you'd have to have it higher done. Okay, right there. Okay. It almost comes out in
One shot.
one shot, yeah. Yeah, they're storing up for that storm. They're full.
Get those other feathers out first. They'll break easier. You have to set the bird.
Oh, where the hell's the knife at? Here it is, way up here. There you go. I'll sharpen this up, so watch it, guys. That's very nice. You won't need these clippers anymore, will you? The bags are over there. So when you put them in the bag, Scott, just kind of squeeze the air out of it and zip them.
Talk about a back bend.
Yeah, I got one there that tracked them. Just try and be careful with them. Leave them whole. Oh yeah.
How's he look?
Looks great.
It's pretty clean, yeah?
Yeah.
Do they need to dry off before they go in the bag?
No.
Alright.
There they go.
Grab a bag.